Hello everyone, Resolute Outdoors here, out here today doing a little bit of squirrel hunting. Just wanted to take you along. If I get anything, I will let you know. So, just enjoying the beauty of nature here today. Starting to finally get to our peak color here in fall. Still kind of the middle of October or so, but definitely a lot of nice, beautiful fall foliage. And for me, that's kind of half the experience here going hunting. So I will take you along. If I get any squirrels here, I will most certainly let you know. Forgot to mention as well, I have my trusty Mossberg 535 with me. Believe this model is discontinued. I think it was meant as more of a turkey gun because it can handle up to 3.5-inch cartridges, shells, but I use it for a general purpose, all-around shotgun. It works great for me, so that's what we're working with today. See what we can do. Walking back to the car now. No luck today on the squirrel hunting, but I got to enjoy the beauty of autumn. If you got something every time, it wouldn't be called hunting. It would just be called killing. So every day out in the woods is a good day. It beats a day in the office. So get out there, enjoy this time of year, enjoy your local hunting seasons. And until next time, guys, this is Resolute Outdoors. See ya.